G'day guys, Gordon at Blue Tongue Industries, and if I've caught you by that caption at $1,000 an hour, it's fair dink. This particular system, as a roof treatment system, can pull you an hourly rate of $1,000 an hour and more. I wanted to run you through this particular pump box assembly and describe what's in the kit and the added accessories to go with the kit to get you flat work treatment or roof treatment today. So what does this product from Skyvac actually contain? So it is a pump and battery contained in a box ready to use. It's an 8.3 litre a minute Everflow pump, and I just wanted to run you through it. So on the front of the box assembly we'll see a digital readout, so we've always got battery voltage displayed ready to use. On the side we've got our digital variable controller, so we can control the flow, the RPM, the output pressure and litres per minute on this 8.3 litre a minute pump. So deep cycle battery contained, comes with a 12 volt 8 amp charger and is ready to couple to your hose. Has a couple of metres of inlet suction hose with a strainer. On the outlet side we'll couple that to a hose reel to enable you to reach 50 or 100 metres to supply your product from us here at Blue Tongue Industries, which is the spray and leave. So it's a 50% active ingredient, and you can see this online at bluetongueindustries.com.au. If you like this particular video, do check out all our other videos on YouTube under the Blue Tongue Industries tab. This particular system as a great bolt-on to an existing business or a standalone business, and I mentioned flat work. So flat work could be an upsell as a premium service to driveway cleaning. It could also be for decks, shade sails as a post clean. So the active ingredient in this is going to kill your organic growth. As an initial primary clean for roof treatment, this could be the primary application where it's a spray and leave. So spray and leave. The kill time will depend on the severity of growth. So it's a fully lichened roof. We'll have an extended period of time for 100% knockout, but this particular business could be an easy one for you guys to bolt on. So just wanted to run you through the operation. So this particular pump assembly at 8.3 litres a minute will suck out of a container. So what we've actually set up here is a drum. This particular drum could be 100 or 200 litres. So we're actually going to batch mix our spray and leave solution at a ratio of 10 to 1 in our designated container or tank. The pump will pull from that container, and you can see all our chemicals online at Blue Tongue Industries, and we're mixing our spray and leave, our organic killer, at a ratio of 10 to 1. The discharge side on the other side will run to a hose reel, and that hose reel could be 50 or 100 metres. So this particular pump will push that far. The variable controller, you'll be able to use that accordingly depending on the atmospheric conditions and the wind and weather to be able to get your solution at height or on that flat surface. And I did mention before, driveways, decks, shade sails, roofs, tarpaulins, this particular system will be a knockout killer for all that organic growth. Let's fire it up and run you through it. So follow us out. So we've coupled it to a hose reel, simulated our chem in the drum, which would be our spray and leave. We've actually got the pump wound up to max on the side, and let's do some distance shots. So on this particular system we have various nozzles, 300, 400 and a couple of fan jets. So when we go for a distance shot, 8.3 litre a minute. So if we're applying chem to a roof, we'll get rid of that air out of the hose, you can see if you were safe from a 3-point perspective on a ladder, we could reach the apex to be able to distribute our chem over the roof. We'll go for a couple of fan shots, so we're going to do now a driveway, shade sails, decks. From a chem application, that's a 15 degree. We'll go for a bit larger. So for that flat work treatment as a post-treatment for driveways and bits and pieces of that particular nature, we're able to spray our chem and we're able to shoot distances. So this particular system may be a good one for you guys to bolt onto your existing business. So if you want to know any more, drop us a line. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and that's Gordon at Blue Tongue Industries. Thanks guys.